Good morning, everyone, children. Today's our topic is active voice and passive voice. Let us see what is active voice and passive voice with the definition. See first, what is the meaning of voice? Voice is nothing but it is a form of a verb. It is a form of verb. So, how many types of verbs are there? How many types of voice are there? There are mainly two types of voices in English language. So what are those? Active voice and passive voice are the two types of voices. So voice is nothing but a form of verb. Those voices having two types, active voice, passive voice. Now let us see the definition of active voice and passive voice. Active voice. Active voice. What is the meaning of active voice? Let us see once again. Active gives about the work done by the subject and object directly. Active voice. What is the meaning of active voice? Means the voice gives about the work done by the subject and the object directly. See the example. Kattappa killed Bahubali. In this sentence, Kattappa killed Bahubali is a Kattappa is a subject. Every sentence starts with a subject, verb, and object. So sentence always have the subject plus verb plus object. Yes or no? So in this sentence also, Kattappa is a subject, verb is a killed, Bahubali and take the object. You know already, subject having the noun or a noun. Verb may be the V position or V2 state or V3 state, any state will be there. The object having any another parts of speech. So this is active voice. Okay. Now we have to be know this. And with one more examples also we can be right. Before we have to go to the another examples, let us go for another one. Passive voice. So passive voice gives about the work received object the subject. What happened here? Passive voice gives about the work received the object. Object receiving work received object from the subject. Okay, see the example. Bahubali was killed by Kattappa. Here in the active voice we see the sentence. Kattappa in the active voice, let us see once. In active voice we have to see Kattappa killed Bahubali. This is the active voice example in previous slide. Yes or no? Now, this sentence, how to change passive voice? Listen. See, subject and object. In the first term is object become subject. What happened here? In the passive voice, subject become object become subject. Okay. See, this is the inactive voice. Bahubali is the object. Now, in the voice, Bahubali is a subject. In the active voice, we can see the killed. We can see the killed is in V2 form. V2 form. When the verb is in V2 form, we have to be take was. In the passive voice, add the was. Killed. Be is a preposition. Definitely, we have to be added. By preposition. And in active voice, there is a Kattappa is a subject. Now in the passive voice, it become as an object. See here, changed like this. Means what happened here? Means In the passive voice, subject become object. Helping verbs will be added by preposition is definitely added. Okay. This is the example how to change the sentence in the active voice to passive voice. Now go for. Now let us see the rules. How we have to be change the active voice to passive voice. If you know the rules, easily you can it. Just you can know the definition and one example. Let us change active voice to passive voice. First point you have to be remember, identify subject, verb and object. So given sentence you have to be find out the subject and verb and object. Second point you have to be remember, identify tense in a sentence. So the verb in we have to be identify first means, first in previous example we seen Katappa killed Bahubali. Killed is in which form verb? V2 form. Past form lo undi verb. Killed any verb past undi. So you should be find out the verb is either the verb is present tense or in future tense. You have to be remember. Okay. Third point you have to be remember. Third rule you have to be remember. Object becomes subject. In previous slide only I explained object become subject. Object. Fourth one is you appropriate use B forms. Appropriate B forms. Definitely. Already you know B forms. What are the B forms? You in previous class already I explained to you. Okay, girls. Since we have to see Katappa killed Bahubali. Killed is in verb V2 form. Active voice having in the past tense. At that time, we have to use was. Was and a helping verb ni use చేస్తున్నాం. Was helping verb. Because here Katappa is a singular. Yes, Anna. That's why we have to use was. If the subject is in use were. Next, if you find out the active voice is in past continuous tense, use was being, were being. Was being you have to be used for singular. Were being you have to use plural forms. Next, past perfect tense. Helping verb. If the sentence, if you see means past perfect tense and the sentence active in the active voice, you can see the verb in V3 form. At that time, you can use had been helping verb when you change to passive voice. Okay. Simple future. In some, we can see will, shall. Will, shall. I will go to school. She will be go to school. Like this, you have to be write the tense. Shall have been. Will have been. You have to these helping verbs. When it is easy to you means you in which tense. Total 8 tenses we can change the active voice. Already we have the 12 tenses, but in those 12 tenses we can change some just 8 tenses only. Which one? Already. Now see that we learned one rule that is pronouns. Okay, how the pronouns change. If in the sentence in a pronoun I, the passive voice can be changed as a me, can change as a us, you can change as a you, he can change as her, it as it is, it will be remain like that only. Them like this on is changed. we us గా మారిపోతుంది. Remember the pronouns, how they change active voice into passive voice. Trick in the active voice, the passive voice is the changing of pronouns also we can say. Because of so lot of girls doing mistakes, especially pronouns only. They can easily change the verbs, but the pronouns they're changed, making it difficult, making it wrong. So that's why you have to be keeping your mind. I must be changed as a me, we must be changed as a us, you, him, she, her, it, they, them. Like this, the change active voice into passive voice. Now let us see. All I said, 8 tenses have only passive voice. In the total 12, we can change the passive voice only in the 8 sentences. In these 8 tenses, in these tenses only we can change passive present, present continuous, present perfect, simple past continuous, past perfect, simple future, future perfect tenses. 8 tenses only we can change. Another 10 change. So again, okay. The simple present tense. Now we have to take 8 tenses. In each again we have to be change the passive voice. Let us see. Passive formula kuda undamma. Keep in your mind the formula how to be used. Simple present tense. Let us see the example. Already you know in the tenses you learned and the simple present subject plus verb or V1S untundi object. This is the formula of simple present tense. In while you learn the tenses, you remember this formula. So here I write a story. First example, let us see the example. I write a story undi. Verb ni first we have to be I undi, pronoun rupamlo undi. Write anedi verb V1 lo undi. Asti manaku object kinda vastundi. The story is a object. I is a subject. కానీ am కానీ తీసుకోవాలి అన్నాను. ఎస్ అన్నాను. సో దానికంటే ముందు ఫస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది మనకు? ఇన్ ద పాసివ్ వాయిస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ బికమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ బికమ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. సో ఏ స్టోరీస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ అ స్టోరీ. పాసివ్ వాయిస్ చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి. తీసేసుకుంటున్నాం. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఫస్ట్ మనం సబ్జెక్ట్ గా రాసేసుకుంటున్నాం. స్టోరీ, స్టోరీ అంటే మనం ఇట్ గా తీసుకోవచ్చు, ప్రొనౌన్ కూడా రిమెంబర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? ఈజ్ వస్తుంది. సింగులర్ పర్సన్ కదా, హీ షీ ఇట్. కానీ అప్పుడు మనం హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ తీసుకోవాల్సింది ఏది? ఈజ్ అనే హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ తీసుకోవాలి. లో ఉన్నప్పుడు తీసుకుంటాం. when we have to be use past tense, but here verb we can find in the. That's why you have to take ఈజ్ ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటున్నాం టీచర్? ఐ కదా, am తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా అనుకుంటే రాంగ్. we learned subject become object, object ఫస్ట్ నేను సబ్జెక్ట్ ని మార్చేసాను, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ గా తీసుకున్నాను, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ గా ఆ స్టోరీని తీసుకున్నాను. ఓకేనా? తర్వాత వర్బ్ సెకండ్ రోల్ వచ్చేసరికి వర్బ్ మార్చాలి. చేయాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ మెయిన్ వర్బ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ విచ్ టెన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి ఫైండ్ అవుట్. సో I took the helping verb is. A story is. Third నేర్చుకున్నాము మెయిన్ verb has been V3 form. What is the V3 form main verb? Let us see what is the right యొక్క V3. Write, wrote, written. This is the V1, this is the V3 form. So manaku past participle ante present, past యొక్క 3 forms ఉంటాయి. Verb conjugation you learned already of few verbs. So here in verb I can change into V3 form is written. Form rule we learned return. After return we have to add the, definitely there is a by. బై ఐ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ గా ఏం మారుతుంది? మీగా మారిపోతుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? మీ. Like this you have to be changed when you have to remember the rules and words and one. What is the second one? Are they? Why is there here? Raju like. Here Raju is a subject, likes is a verb, V1 form, because here the simple present tense always verb in V1 form. V1 అనే ఉంటుంది, S అయినా ఉంటుంది, యాడ్ చేసి ఉంటా. He she it కి verb కి S యాడ్ చేసి ఉంటా. Raju likes sweets. Don't be confused. లైక్స్ ఉంది కదా అని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకూడదు. సో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? మనకు ఫస్ట్ రూల్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం. ఏం ఫాలో అవుతున్నాము? Raju likes sweets. స్వీట్స్ ఇస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. స్వీట్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్ గా మారిపోయింది. స్వీట్స్ అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్. స్వీట్స్ ఇస్ ఎ ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్. ఎస్ అన్న ఆర్ యూస్ చేయాలి. ఆర్ అనే వర్బ్ ని యూస్ చేయాలి. సో స్వీట్స్ ఆర్ ఈ యొక్క V3 ఫామ్ లైక్, లైక్డ్, లైక్డ్. ఎస్ అన్న ఇది. సో స్వీట్స్ ఆర్ లైక్డ్ బై adding by Raju. We have to be right like this. Yeah, very nice. Next plays football and golf. This is the answer. Later I will give the if you see here some examples I took. Maybe it's over. The peon opens the gate. Take a screenshot again. Answer these and send to me. Example we can see. The peon opens the gate. Anyone can change this sentence? Send as a message. No one? Okay, I will be saying. Once is a verb, the gate. The gate is become as a subject. The gate emotundi? Yeah, the gate of Puna. Helping verb use cheyaledamma. The gate is open. Screenshot and send the answers to me. Now let us go for another tense, simple past tense. Simple past tense. If the active voice in simple past tense, how we have to change as a simple past tense, the passive voice. So the passive structure already you know. In the subject, active voice in simple past V2 lo untundi plus object lo untundi. Like this, the question will be in this in active voice. When you have to find out through the help, you can find out which tense. Find out at that time in passive voice, you need this structure: object, work and helping verbs వస్తాయి, V3 form plus by plus object sub. Sita sang a song. Stop messaging girls. Sita sang. A song was a song. ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది? మన సబ్జెక్ట్ గా వచ్చేసింది మనకి. ఎస్ అన్న సబ్జెక్ట్ గా వచ్చేసింది. అండ్ సాంగ్ అనేది V2 ఫామ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి, సాంగ్ ఇస్ ఏ సింగులర్ కాబట్టి was అనేనాము. సాంగ్ V2 ఫామ్ ని V3 ఫామ్ గా తీసుకున్నాం. నౌ మెయిన్ V3 ఫామ్. And by preposition we added objects. Yes or no? Like this. Raju sold computers. If you me, but computers were sold by Raju. Messaging Now let us, so I hope you are understand the simple past tense. In simple past tense, how you have to be change the passive voice. Let's see for another slide. Object. If the sentence having the double object in active voice, taker. Okay, enough. చూడండి డైరెక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి షీ గేవ్ మీ అ బుక్ sentence. In this sentence, she is a subject. She is, see, she gave me a book. One example. In this sentence, she is a verb in V2 form, past form. Yes, sir. Me is a object one. Is a object one. A book is a object two. What we have to be do? So, in remember చూసుకోండమ్మా డైరెక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ప్లస్ V3 2 ప్లస్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు లేదా సెకండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా ముందు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. Both ways answers. You can change the sentence in both ways. Use the me object ni తీసుకొని రాయొచ్చు లేదా a book ని కూడా చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చారు. ఏ బుక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని తీసేసుకో. ఇక్కడ వర్బ్ V2 ఫామ్ ఉన్నందుకు బుక్ ఈజ్ ఏ సింగులర్ కాబట్టి వాజ్ అనే హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ని తీసుకున్నాను. ఇక్కడ గేవ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి V3 ఫామ్ గివెన్ ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ గివెన్ టు మీ టు అనేది మనకు ప్లస్ బై ఎవరు ఇక్కడ షీ అనేది కాబట్టి షీ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా మారిపోతుంది బై హర్ గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. దిస్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూ కెన్ బి రిమెంబర్. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇన్ టూ వేస్ ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, ఈ విధంగా మనము ఆన్సర్ చేయము. మీని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. మీని ఆబ్జెక్ట్ చేసామనుకోండి అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది ఐ వస్తుంది. ఐ వాజ్ given. Anybody try this? I by using the me object in use chesi try. I was the one. See some more examples. You can copy down these questions and after finishing it. Krishna helped Pandavas. Suresh broke, received the letter. They gave us nice presents. You can finish it. Now I shall write a story. Example to the first I shall story. Here shall ane auxiliary model auxiliary verbs divided in three types. చెప్పాను కదా is form, be forms. So these are all the model auxiliary verbs you learned in the tenses class. How to be remembered. I shall write a story. Find out always the main remaining వాటికి యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. Shall we can use I and use చేయొచ్చు. Of course, we can use for other pronouns also, but answer. A story will be written by me. See, a story subject become then subject will be be changed the simple future tense. So let us see the worksheet. Visit the village. We will visit the village. Village. So ఇక్కడ మనం విలేజ్ ఆన్సర్ తీసుకోండి. The village. Try chesara answer. Okay, the village visited by you wrote right answer. Okay, no need to have to be right. Okay, right answer ma. Send me the message is the right answer. Okay, let us I'm moving for another slide. Now let us go for the another tense. ఇప్పటికే మనకు simple present, simple past. If the active voice in 3 tenses, how we have to be changed, you learned. Now shall present continuous tense. Okay, in the present continuous tense, passive structure you have to be remember, which you can see on the screen. Object you have to be remember the other 7 rules. Easily you can be change it. I am writing a story because continuous tense verb ing form లో ఉంటుంది. సో ఐ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ అనే హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ వస్తుంది. తెలుసు రైటింగ్ ఏ స్టోరీ. సో ఆన్సర్ ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ స్టోరీ బికమ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ స్టోరీ. ఐ ఆమ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఈజ్ బీయింగ్ అనేది రాయాలమ్మా ఖచ్చితంగా. ఈజ్ కానీ ఆర్ కానీ హెల్పింగ్ వర్క్ ఖచ్చితంగా. స్టోరీ అనేది ఇట్ కింద సింగులర్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి